So, there we go again. My favorite moment of the week when I have time for my own projects. Let's get to it. As you saw, I was working on the gearbox. The gearbox now is fully completely. Okay, so let's see. I tapped this one, so it's not leaking through this one. And this one, I made a O-ring in it, so it shouldn't leak. We will see. This one is already installed, okay. And here, I made this one, okay. So voila, it shouldn't leak. And this one too, by the way, this one inside, I put a ring on it, so I machine it, and yeah. I think it's in one of the old videos. But this lady is good to go. Yes, so I'm happy with that. And yeah, now let's fix it on the frame. Let's see if I have all the parts. And then I start to put the inner cover of the Premier case, the inner side of it. Because the outside I don't have it, and I'm gonna make one my own. Yeah, I'm gonna make it myself. So yes, and I need to, you will see, I need to modify the original one so I can put a stator and a rotor there. So yes, I could buy something from internet and stuff, and I was looking at it, but those covers, they are so expensive. That I was like, okay, if I'm making this bike from parts, I think I'm gonna make my own cover. So voila, yes, let's get to it. Let's try to show it. As expected, because I was looking around and I saw somebody cut the frame. Like earlier in the videos, if you remember, somebody cut this one. And now I have this problem that this one, it didn't go in place and the gearbox could move all around. So yeah, I check it. I made a spacer for it. Let's see, in this side, the same. They cut a piece of it, just right there. Okay, so I look in my box where I have all the bolts and nuts, and I found that is actually the space that I need. So voila, it's still not fixed, but you can see that now, you know, it's not bubbling anymore. So that's good. So let's put the cover from the other side, the inner cover, and see what we got. Let's try to show it. Let's see if it's on the camera. Yes. So, okay. So here I have the rotor and the stator. And normally, in a Thunderbird, you have this cover where you can put this one in the cover, okay? Or this backplate is different, and then you have like this, I don't know, adapter where you can put it. You know, so but anyways, I check it online, and still I think I'm better off by just making my own, because right now You see it? Okay, it would be something like this. Of course, this one must go deeper and this must have a spacer, but that's all what I need. And I think this one is pretty thick. So I'm gonna make 3 holes, put like a screw in it with a spacer, and voila. So that's all, that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, this one will, I will connect it to this one, and yeah, then I will have lights for here and for the back. No signal lights, so it's just gonna have brake, the tail light, brake, high beam and low beam, and that's it. So yes, yeah, I like it. It's getting somewhere, and I really like it to see it like this. So yes, let's keep on going. Let's mark this as best as I can, and then just mark it, drill the holes, make everything, and voila. I might need to buy special bolts for it, because what I would like actually is that the head is flat at the back, and then I can pull it through it, and then here put a knot. So a knot here, and then this will be fixed on this one, and then I just need to adjust it with a spacer, like this, with a spacer, or with another, with a bolt here and a bolt here, so something like that. But let's see what I have in my spare bolt case and yeah, box, sorry. And yeah, let's see. Looking nice. I really like it to see like this. I'm like, oh, so close. Damn it. Yeah, so close. And of course, when I'm gonna talk, the dogs are barking. Anyways, okay, let's keep on going. There we go. Let's try to show it. Whoa-bah. So there you go. You see, it's locked in place. I made it from a stand, I think, a thread, a really long thread, and I cut it to the proper dimension, and voila, yeah, good to go. So yeah, hopefully next week I can do the clutch and put the belt and put everything, and then I can start to fabricate this and to do the tire, the front and the rear and the rest. So let's see. So yeah, that's all for this video. So see you next time. Ciao.
Say we shouldn't, but you know we always will. The highways catch me if you can, runs up over the hills.